6:45 this Saturday morning, taking a live look right now over Casco Bay from Portland Headlight. And it's a beautiful morning out there. It's setting us up for a good weekend, a good week ahead, and less humidity, which I think everyone's excited about.
I am very excited for that.
Yes.
So I think I was promised this gorgeous Maine summer, and we started off on the wrong foot.
To say the least, yes, I would
And
say
now
so.
we're slowly getting there, and I mean, mornings like that always make it worth it. Temperatures, though, are not the nicest outside. We're sitting pretty muggy to start your day once again. I know, shocker. We're seeing the same general story as yesterday, but actually the big thing is not a lot of fog or rain really this morning, so that's a lot different than where we've been. But it is starting off right around 70 degrees as far as your temperatures are concerned. Still feeling quite a bit muggy because of the dew points and the humidity. We're just still sticking with that. But you can see right off to our north, everything's looking a little bit nicer. That's a hint at what's to come here shortly. Some clouds outside, they're pretty high up, so not completely blocking the sun, but more so making it look a little bit hazy maybe at times and just blocking a tiny bit of the sun in some areas, but lots of us still seeing a pretty nice start to the day. It's going to start to change here as more clouds build in and some rain comes along with this cold front that's going to move through a little bit later today. As the system continues to move out of our area, though, this is actually going to kind of clean all the humidity and all the heat out a little bit and give us a nicer wind direction and nicer conditions actually coming up here shortly that'll make everything a bit more pleasant. Before we get there though, today we have a 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather. That's in the very southern portion of Maine. The rest of the state, really, if you look a little bit farther inland, can still see some thunderstorms, but that's where we can expect the craziest in northern Maine. I mean, really not expecting too much overall. Through your day here today, clouds will start to build in as we head into your afternoon. Some showers and a couple storms will start to move in as well. Models have been varied all over the place with this one. It's been a bit more tricky this time around. Finally starting to come into a bit more agreement now. We're seeing really like Augusta stretching over to mid-coast and then south of that general region. And so we can expect the heaviest rain and those storms to push through as we head through your Saturday here. With this, it could get gusty at times. It could be pretty windy outside. Also could have some heavy rain, which could lead to some potential localized flooding, but not anything widespread as far as we're concerned for the moment. Not expecting that. That continues to move through in the evening, and by tomorrow morning, not really going to see much. So late tonight, not going to be a problem. Tomorrow morning, everything starts to get a whole lot sunnier and a bit more pleasant out there as well. Sunday's looking great all day long. Monday, a few more clouds start to move into the forecast, and you could have a chance for a couple scattered showers here and there, but very isolated, not expecting to see much, but you could see a little bit of rain there. Now I showed you the humidity, the same area where it was a little bit cooler in the dew points and drier air. You can see it's also going to be cooler as far as your temperatures are concerned. This is all going to start to inch down to our area here as we go in through the next week, which is why you're noticing your high temperatures dropping off and getting below average for the first time in the past week or so. We're seeing it staying really instead in the 70s, which I think a lot of us are okay with. I'll speak for all of you on that one. We need a little break. And then the big thing we really all want instead, though, is going to be the lower humidity. It's really, I mean, you can see a pretty quick drop off between today and tomorrow. That cold front that's moving through is just kind of taking all of that to the south and pushing in drier and cooler air from Canada to give us a nicer forecast here coming up. So, I mean, we're getting there. We're getting there. Just got to get through today first. Seas for today, though, 1 to 3 feet. Winds out of the south around 5 to 10 knots. But it could get windier out there as those storms start to roll through this afternoon. Water temperature is still pretty good overall at 65 degrees, but still technically cold. Otherwise, we're going to see that sunshine continuing through the week. Like I said, there's a chance for a couple showers and a few more clouds possible on Monday, but nothing to ruin the party. I mean, it's looking pretty nice all week long. Wednesday's looking awesome. Sunny, 76 inland, 74 along the water. I mean, there's not too much to complain about here, so.
Really not much at all. We'll take it.
No, got some showers and storms today, but I mean, if we get all that afterwards.
Exactly. Makes it worth it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Aaron.